Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautifullove4ever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using the Black Radiance Brilliant Effects eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take that dark green shade and I'm going to put that in my crease. Now I'm going to go back into that palette and I'm going to take those three shades that I'm pointing to and put those on my lids right next to each other. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell, and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos because that helps my channel. And I definitely make sure to comment because I definitely want to hear from you all. Next, I'm using the Covergirl Get In Line Liquid Eyeliner in Black Vinyl. Now I'm using the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue and the Ioni Wispy Lashes. To make sure there's no gap showing while I put my lashes, I'm using the Sephora eye pencil, and I'm also going to use the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. Moving on to my face, I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Touch and Soul No Pore Blend Primer. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector. Next, I'm using the Be Pure Blurring Press Powder in Medium Deep, and I'm using this to keep my makeup matte and to keep my face from getting oily. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Ultra Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in Medium Warm, and I'm putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that concealer is sitting, I'm going to use the Beauty Bay Bronzer in Chestnut. I'm going to use this to contour my nose and bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder and cinnamon bun to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place the Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. And I'm just going to take that shade that I'm pointing to and use that for my blush. To highlight, I'm using the iHeart Revolution Fruity Highlighter in Pineapple. For lips, I'm using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Silk Finish Lipstick in Cashmere. Now I'm using the Morphe setting spray to set my face. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this makeup look that I did. I really enjoyed using the Black Radiance Brilliant Effects eyeshadow palette. I came across this eyeshadow palette on Amazon and decided to give it a try. The colors are very pigmented and you can create a lot of smoky looks with this. So if you're looking for affordable eyeshadow palette, I would definitely recommend this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you click the bell and you click all to be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to press the like button on my shorts and videos because it helps my channel. And please comment because I would love to hear from you all. And you know, if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. All my social media handles are listed in the description box, and I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thank you so much. I'll see you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.